Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the monkeys token on your MetaMask. So once you've logged on to coinmarketcap.com, the link would be in the description of the video. You simply scroll down and copy its Ethereum address, that's the Ethereum contract address, minimize and simply open up your MetaMask. And by simply clicking on MetaMask and opening it up, all right, once it's opened up, make sure you're on the Ethereum main network. Click on this Ethereum main network. Click on import token. So click on custom tokens, paste your token address. And once you've pasted the token address, all you need to do is simply wait for the tokens to be added and simply click on import. And once you've clicked on import, the next step is to simply buy Ethereum because you would need Ethereum to even swap the token. So I'm going to be showing you how you can buy your Ethereum. So click on this buy Ethereum here and simply use it at your Google Play Nigerian instant transfer. That's your native bank transfer, your debit or credit card, any of this, and then proceed to buy your Ethereum. Another option would be to use a centralized exchange for much cheaper, which is Binance. And by using your Binance, all you need to do is deposit any cryptocurrency asset here or simply use your MasterCard or make P2P transactions and simply click on convert here and convert your USDT, your Ethereum, your Binance token, your Bitcoin into Ethereum and head over to the wallet section. Click on this withdraw here and search for ETH. Click on Ethereum, send via crypto network and send your Ethereum to the MetaMask mobile, to your MetaMask. And once you've done that, the Ethereum would then be deposited here on MetaMask. And once it's deposited here on the MetaMask, all you need to do is head over to your browser and simply connect your wallet. So use this wallet connect icon here to connect your wallet manually. And once you've done that, simply exchange the AJAX for some of the monkey. So paste its address and click on this monkey's token and proceed to click on I understand. So now we're going to be getting for $9.96 worth of Ethereum, we're going to be getting 745 million or more of the monkeys token while paying $7 gas fee. You can do all of this with and that's all. And that's how you can get your monkeys token on your MetaMask. Before you can send out your Ethereum, you need an account on Binance. And by simply using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to win $100 worth of trading fee rebates just by using our link alone. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.